Ever feel like your product reviews section is, well, a bit meh? Like a sad, lonely corner of your website that nobody visits? Hey, my name is Kevin, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. Let's be honest, the default WooCommerce review system is about as exciting as watching paint dry. And that's no good, because reviews are huge. They build trust, boost sales, and give you awesome insights into what your customers really think. That's where Product Reviews Pro swoops in to save the day. This baby transforms your review section into a dynamic hub of engagement, giving your customers the power to add photos, videos, ask questions, and even comment on each other's feedback. Forget basic star ratings. This is about genuine connection. We're talking review qualifiers to get super specific feedback, a voting system to highlight the most helpful reviews, goodbye, irrelevant ramblings, and even a way for customers to update their reviews later. No more duplicate rants. I'm your host, and in this course, we're going to deep dive into everything Product Reviews Pro. We'll cover everything from setting it up, how to manage customer reviews, and even how to see reports on how your products are performing in the market. I'll teach you how to configure like a pro, manage all those awesome contributions, use qualifiers to get laser-focused feedback, and even prevent the dreaded review spam apocalypse. That'll be why the end of this course, you'll be equipped to build a vibrant, thriving review community that boosts your sales, improves your products, and keeps your customers coming back for more. Ready to level up your WooCommerce reviews game? Let's get started.